Hey guys! So holiday shopping is upon us and I am very excited about some of the holiday previews that I have on my desk in front of me that you can purchase at Ulta. So if you guys are curious to see some holiday previews from Ulta, then just keep watching. So I don't know about you guys, but I stalk the sites around this time of year to be the first one to grab something really good holiday deals. Like sometimes you can get like 3 for the price of 1, or if there's a mascara that you love, like Monsieur Big has like those little ornament ones where you get 2 for a really discounted price. So I love holiday sets. So I was so excited that Ulta sent me a preview of some of their holiday collections. So let's dive right in. The first one is Beauty Blender. This is a Sweet Surprise Mystery Blind Bag. So since I have boys, I know that you can get like those little Lego figure bags and you don't know which Lego person is inside, but you can like collect, I don't know, all 20 or whatever. This is very similar to that, where you can either get the original, the Joy, the Chill, or a mystery beauty blender inside. So it's kind of fun. You have like a surprise of opening a gift and then another surprise inside the box, which is really fun. And I'll put the prices for everything down below in the description box. But I personally love the like rainbow glitter detail on their holiday packaging, super cute. And of course, you guys want to know what I got inside. So it has confetti wrapping, and I got the yellow. And inside it looks like you get one of their Beauty Blender soaps and a beauty blender. So that is exciting. I'm out of beauty blenders. I'm not normally on their PR list, so it was very exciting that I got these in the mail. I just had to open it and find out. So first holiday gift that you can get at Ulta is this Beauty Blender Surprise. Another holiday set from Beauty Blender is the Blender's Delight. And inside you get 2 Beauty Blender makeup sponges, 2 mini blender cleanser solid soaps, and 1 blender defender. So you get 2 beauty blenders, 2 soaps, and like a container to hold them. It shows you what you get on the back. Really, really cute, again, with the glitter packaging. I really like their packaging for the holidays. I'm glad that not everyone's doing like the red and green and gold. I like the glitter option. I think that's really fun. Next up are a few holiday palettes from Makeup Revolution. They're really, really cute. We have the silver, the copper, and the gold. And these are the Jewel Collection palettes. Okay, so the silver one is all mauve purple shades. Looks really pretty. Looks like you've got about half matte, half shimmer. This one is the Jewel Collection Opulent. The copper tone one, which is called Deluxe, has like the gold and the, I would say like peachy tone shades in it. It looks very pretty. And the gold palette, which is called Gilded, are all the sunshiny shades, the yellows, the mustards, the kind of like warm browns, and a black. So this will be very fun to play with. Next up, we have some gift sets from Ecotools. They're very cute and chic this year. They went with like the Winter Wonderland theme. And this one's called the Fan Favorites Beauty Kit. I've actually never tried Ecotools brushes. I personally love their little blenders. So in this kit, you get like a fat fan brush, a small fan brush. What do you even get? It says 4 exclusive fan brushes and 2 color perfecting mini blenders. So that's what comes in this one. It is a $32 value. It says only at Ulta, so this is an Ulta exclusive. We get the Romantic by Nature Beauty Kit. It says inspired by Huga. I'm not sure who that is, but it looks like you get 2 angled sponges and 4 brushes. It says a $33 value. And the big kahuna is the Radiant Vanity Beauty Kit. And it looks like you get 4 small brushes and 6 larger brushes and a beauty sponge. I feel like you could never have too many beauty sponges and brushes. I recently cleaned all of mine and I had like a huge bin of brushes that took me over an hour to clean that were out of commission for a day, so I had to like scramble to find other ones. So brushes are always a good gift option for a beauty lover. Next up is a gift set from NYX. It is the 24 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. I will be doing a specific unboxing for this advent calendar and any others that come across my doorstep. I love doing advent calendar unboxings and I love watching them this holiday season. And it looks like, it says take a little trip through this sugar-coated dream world. This is called Sugar Trip, by the way. You'll come across our Makeup Lovin' Besties and cover 24 sweet must-haves along the way. Just follow the map inside to find each treat. And it looks like there's some good stuff in here. It does tell you on the back what you get, but not on what days. So that is very exciting. So stay tuned for an unboxing of this one. Next up is an Ulta holiday gift from the Ulta Collection. It is their Sparkle and Shine 65-piece collection. It's $29.99. It comes in this beautiful travel case with this multicolored glitter on front. Has a little like briefcase handle on top. Inside, you get 3 brushes, a nice size mirror. They pull up and out so you can access everything in your kit. So on this side, you get some shimmer shadows, some brow products, some glosses. In here, you get eyeliners and shadows. And then on this side, you get blushes, highlights, bronzers, and finishing powder. So you kind of get everything that you need from the Ulta brand. Another holiday gift item from the Ulta Beauty brand is the 12 Days of Beauty. They come like this. There's a different little gift inside every box, and these are so fun to do. I also will do a dedicated unboxing. Spoiler alert for the Ulta 12 Days of Beauty Star. This is super cute. I've been keeping it up on my bookshelf ever since I received it. It's just really cute. I love it. And finally, we have a holiday gift set from Real Techniques, and it's a big one. It is $97 value only at Ulta. You get, they said these are new items from Real Techniques. So the brushes all have teal and purple handles and like holographic detailing on the handle. You get 11 brushes, a beauty sponge, and a beauty sponge holder to keep it clean, which is nice because mine usually sits out and it's exposed to the elements, so I like that option. Inside, you get an angled multitask brush, a fan brush, a rounded contour brush, a full coverage eye brush, a Miracle Complexion sponge case. You get a blending crease brush, a Miracle Complexion sponge, an Instapop all over, I guess highlight brush. You get a metal lash wand, a brow brush, a flat liner brush, and a buffing brush. Oh, and an ultimate powder brush. You get all that. And again, they're not going with like the typical Christmassy holiday colors, which I kind of like because the red and the green can get a little overdone at times. So let me know which holiday gift sets you will be picking up, or if there are any that you are keeping your eye out for. I know that I am personally keeping my eyes open for some new Stila Glitter and Glow or Shimmer and Glow gift sets. I love those. I'm also curious to see what Japanesque is going to come out with for the holidays. I love looking at the MAC collections, so definitely keep your eyes out for holiday sets. They are popping up all over. But I hope you guys enjoyed this Ulta holiday gift set preview. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.